There will be no requirement for the permission for the function and event having less than 100% for the private function which were conducted within the precinct of the residence houses or the community religious function. हांका कोणाकूच कसलेच परमिशन घेवपाची गरज ना. म्हणजे ते चर्चीत आसूनी, देवळात आसूनी किंवा आपल्या घराच्या आवारात आसूनी, जेका आमी म्हणटा 100 लोकांच्या मदीं, ताका त्यांनी कशाच पद्धतीचे परमिशन, म्युझिकाक सुद्धा परमिशन घेवपाची गरज ना, बिकॉज दॅट इज इन देअर ओन प्रिमायसीस. There is an open air permanent venue for an event including the hotel lawn, open air hall, venue on beaches, marriage, wedding, functions, parties, etc. shall be issued a permission for not more than 3 years by the Department of the Environment, the Government of Goa. 3 वर्षा खातीर डायरेक्ट जेका परमिशन जाय ताका आमी 3 वर्षा खातीर डायरेक्टली परमिशन दितले. The owner of the permanent open air venue, hotels, lawns, restaurant, temporary party event area, hall event venue, etc. requisite to use of the loudspeaker, public address system, sound amplifiers, open air and open air venues shall be have to submit an application in the prescribed format to the prescribed authority with the fees of ₹60,000 annually, 60,000 per year, and upon the payment of the one-time fees per annum, and with the venue operator can conduct as many events for the year. And this is the part of ease of doing the business as well as the ease of living index. This is the guarantee of government. एका वर्सा खातीर कितले इव्हेंट केल्यार जाता, वन टाइम 60,000 रुपया भरून तेंच्यांनी एकदाच परमिशन घेवपाचें. ताजे आमी कितले इव्हेंट केले वता, जो ओपन एअर व्हेन्यू जेचो आसा तेणी परमिशन्स घेवचे.